You've been eating honey the wrong way your whole life, because what it can do through your skin might just change the way you sleep, heal, and even digest food. Sound crazy? Then you've never tried putting a spoonful of honey on your belly button before bed? Thousands of people are now trying this forgotten Ayurvedic remedy. And the results? Strange, but amazing. Let me explain. Your belly button, also called the navel, is more than a leftover from birth. In ancient practices, it's seen as the energy center of the body. And guess what's hiding underneath it? Over 70,000 blood vessels, tons of nerve endings, and a direct line to your internal organs. That's why some ancient healers believe the belly button can absorb and distribute certain healing substances throughout the body. So what happens when you place a small spoonful of honey there overnight? People report the weirdest things. Some say their digestion improves. Others say they feel more grounded. The next morning, many say their stomach pain gone. And some even say it reduces period cramps, anxiety, or even improves sleep. Let's break it down. Honey is a natural antimicrobial. It kills bad bacteria. It draws out inflammation. It hydrates skin and internal tissue. When you apply it to the belly button, it may soothe internal organs, reduce bloating, and even help your liver detox while you sleep. It's sticky, it's weird, and yet it seems to work. Here's how to try it. First, make sure your belly button is clean and dry. Then take raw organic honey, not the processed kind. Use a small spoon or dropper and place about half a teaspoon right into the center of your navel. Cover it gently with a bandage or a piece of gauze to prevent mess. Then go to bed. That's it. Let the honey work its way into your skin and system overnight. In the morning, gently wipe it off with warm water. You may feel nothing, or you may feel surprisingly refreshed. Either way, it's safe to try for most people. But always test for allergies first. If you're allergic to honey or bee products, skip this entirely. If you have broken skin or infections near your navel, wait until it's healed. Now, you might be wondering why. Haven't you heard of this before? Because it's too weird, too simple. And there's no product to sell. But those who've done it swear by the effects. Calmer digestion, less anxiety, deeper sleep, more balance. It's a bedtime ritual that costs almost nothing. It might just give your body something it's missing. So tonight, forget the pills, ignore the supplements, and grab a spoonful of honey instead. Just place it right in your belly button. Lie down, breathe deep, and let nature do the rest. Would you try the honey belly button trick? If you're brave enough. Can subscribe for more strange, effective wellness hacks that actually work.